Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Xfinity email to your iPhone in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your iPhone's settings. Inside the settings, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of mail. When you are inside the mail section, you just have to basically go to the option of accounts. So here inside the accounts section, simply select the option of add account. Now, here is something important. You won't see Xfinity in this particular list. So you can choose the other option or add other account option. And after that, on the next page, you need to simply select the option of add mail account. So here you need to start providing some of the basic details in order to add the account. So it includes providing the name, the email address, the password, and the description. So after providing these details, simply press next on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now here you need to select the IMAP when it is asked. Then you need to enter the correct server settings. So the IMAP is the incoming mail server, and the host name should be imap.comcast.net. The username should be your full email and the password should be your email password. Now for SMTP, the host name is smtp.comcast.net. Then again username and your password. So when you are done, press next on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now as soon as you do this, you just have to basically save all of the details that you have added. Make sure that the mail toggle button is also turned on so that emails start syncing. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.